It's so over for filmmakers. AI just took your jobs.
So here's the deal. Anthropic just dropped a stack of tools that basically let Claude become your editor while you sleep. Claude Code, Claude Design, all of them now plug straight into video workflows and spit out finished edits. I tested 3 different ways to do this, and the results genuinely shook me. Some were rough, some were spooky good, and one of them is the reason this exact video exists. First way, Claude inside Premiere Pro. Yeah, there's a plugin that drops Claude right into the Premiere timeline so it can cut clips, sync music, generate captions, the whole 9. And look, on paper, this sounds amazing. In reality, nobody actually edits in Premiere anymore. CapCut is where the entire creator economy lives now. It's faster, it's free, mobile editors run circles around Premiere users. So a Claude Premiere plugin in 2026 feels like building a Ferrari engine for a fax machine. Cool tech, wrong decade. Skip. Second way, and this is where it gets spicy, Claude Code with the Remotion skill. Remotion lets you build entire videos in React, and the skill basically teaches Claude how to write the code that builds your edit. Install is dead simple. You open Claude Code in your terminal, drop in the Remotion skill, point it at your raw footage and your script, and just tell it what you want. I tried it on our AI Bros intro, the one with the glitchy text and the bass drop. Original was made by a human editor over 2 days. New one Claude Code generated in 11 minutes. Side by side, was it better? No. Was it acceptable? Absolutely. Was it pro level? Not yet. The timing on a couple of beat drops was off and the kinetic text felt a touch generic. But it's the kind of thing that closes the gap fast. Third way, Claude Design doing kinematic intros automatically. This one's the easy mode I promised. You don't install anything, you don't write code, you just describe the vibe. I tested it on our Vortex intro, that swirling neon pink and gold one we use for collab videos. Typed in what I wanted, hit go, and it generated a full kinematic intro with motion, depth, type animation, the whole package. No timeline, no keyframes, no After Effects nightmare. Just describe and done. This is the workflow that's actually ready right now for short hooks and intros. So where does that leave us? Honestly, AI video editing isn't fully there yet. Claude can generate kinetic text, throw together a passable cut, design you a slick intro, but if you put it head-to-head with a sharp human editor who knows pacing and rhythm, the human still wins. For now. The scary part is how fast the gap is shrinking. A year ago, none of this worked at all. Today, it does maybe 60% of the job, and the curve is not slowing down. Human editors are still safe, but the question isn't if anymore, it's how long. 6 months? 12? Place your bets, because the timeline you're editing today might be the last one a human ever touches.